Hey Crafty Dolls, welcome back, and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new, my name is Amber and I love all things DIY home decor. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So in today's video, I am finally sharing my she shed. I am so excited that it is all completed, but I wanted to share my process with you all and just give you a little bit more into what went into getting it in our backyard. I know I've been gone for a while, and I do appreciate all the grace and the kind words that everyone has shared with me, especially after I posted some updates on my community tab. But I am stepping back into the YouTube space, into the DIY decor world, and I hope that you guys will continue on this journey with me. It's been fun, it's been great, and I am ready to get back. And starting with a series of videos for my she shed, I think this will be the first of 3. So this first one will show you the process we had to take to widen our backyard and put my shed back there and build it. A lot of the videos are different formats because I recorded some for Instagram and then I just forgot to switch my camera, my phone the other way for YouTube. So I do apologize about the orientation on it, landscape and portrait view. So bear with me, but I think that you will enjoy this series anyway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. It's time to tear this down and get our retaining wall up so my she shed can go over here. The train, always the train. I'm so excited, but they're back there doing whatever they're doing with the ground. They're back there doing whatever they're doing with the ground, so I'm excited. They said everything should be done by Tuesday, so it finally stopped raining for a few days, so I'm so excited because this has been a long time coming. And then I get to redo Phoebe's room, my craft room to Phoebe's room. So it was a bee. I don't like bees. Just asked them if they needed some water. He said yeah, so I'm gonna grab a couple bottles for them real quick. I think 2 bottles per person is good. So they've got their water. Hopefully they feel a little bit more refreshed. I'm always giving people water when they're coming to work on our stuff. I know sometimes they bring their own stuff, but it doesn't hurt to ask, and I have an abundance of it, so why not share it, right? And it's hot out here. It's not as hot as it has been here in Georgia, but it's still pretty warm today. So we have all of the brick or whatever work, and then they put some plywood down that will go all the way to the backyard for them to take everything to. They have to remove this half of our gate to be able to have their bobcat go through with the brick. They don't have their bobcat today, so I'm guessing they are just going to level out the back. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. But it's been raining and storming here in Georgia for the last few days. Now that the rain has stopped and it's a little bit drier out, and doesn't look like it's supposed to rain for the next week and a half. So we're good to go. We only got a little bit of the storm Idalia. So we got that like on Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. I guess before it was that category 4 or 3 storm. We just got a lot of rain. It was real bad. Power went out but came back on really quickly, but yeah, so finally get this going. Yeah, it's coming along. I am so excited to see how this is gonna be. Now I wonder how high it'll come up. That's what I wonder. Something exciting is happening right now. I'm getting my shed built. Yay. Got our retaining wall done, and now they are putting together the base of the shed. I had a different vision in mind with this, but I guess this is how sheds are built, with the concrete center blocks on top, underneath. So yeah. Just wait until all done. Yay! So overall, the entire process with me not doing anything took about a month to complete for our retaining wall and for them to get my shed up. The retaining wall took about a week and a half, and then the shed, it only took them 1 day to put it up. So I was super surprised and happy that it was very quick. But without further ado, here is my completed build out she shed. That's better. This is what we have on the outside. So we got this extra space in our backyard built. I'll show that super quickly. So because of the size of shed I wanted, we had to extend our backyard. So our deck is right here, and so we just decided to extend it towards where the deck is. We got it surveyed out here to see where our property line is, and I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, here we go. Those orange flags, that's where our property line is. So yeah, we extended it so I can have a little space back here and then here. So we just got to get a fence and move it back, but our priority first is my shed. And my husband put this down here. It was from the fence that got taken down from right here, so that, and just put it on the side to, you know, gauge my interest on what I liked about the bottom to cover that. And I actually kind of really like it. I think I would look for something that's a little not as wide like the spaces, if that makes any sense. So then we're just gonna put that all around. My father-in-law actually is the one that put the extra brick we had to make steps to go up, so kudos to him. And then we have our shed. So I've got a window in the front, window on that side, door with a window, and then a window on this side. So let's go right in. Oh, you good? You trying to sit down and missed it? Yeah, okay, you got it? All right. All right, so here is the inside. All right, so as I stated, I'm standing at the door right here. I love this look. I can see the entire backyard, so that is so important. And then when these guys are playing, this window allows me to see the back side. I mean, I just have a really good vantage and viewpoint of when they're out here playing or something's going on, whatever. Anyways, this window right here, door, window right here, and another on the other side. I have this as just a plain, I mean, it's just the whole wall. But in hindsight, now that we're in here, I've always been thinking I should have put that one down over here and had this the single solid wall, because look at my view. Like, I'm at my husband's equipment shed and then the rest of the backyard, kind of. It's just not, yeah, I don't know. So I can't do anything about it now. But anyways, I will figure out how to make it more functional over here. Actually, it could be a really good staging area for wreaths. So yes, oh, just thought of that. Then we have a 4-foot long storage area up here that goes all the way to the back. I've already put some items up here and in here, cleaning out her would-be room. The closet is completely clear, so that's what everything in here is. And then of course this wall. I already got my electrical outlets and where my light fixtures will go, and then the rest. So yeah, and then I also have some storage up here. So, you know, as you look under here, the roof, I have this porch right here. So that's extra storage space up there. So that is a win in my book. I've got another light fixture up here. I'm super excited to find like a cute chandelier to hang right here. I cannot wait until I can, yeah, get in here and do what I want. All right, Crafty Dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what you are excited to see in my next couple of videos. I'm going to share everything on the inside of me painting and doing some new projects that I have not been able to tackle until now. I'm super excited about it, but I am taking you guys along for the entire ride of painting, getting everything in there, and then cleaning out my craft room and moving into the she shed. All right, dolls, be blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.